today has been a very tough day. Social media, share and some air course all over social media is still on. The Takrady ladies no. Now, if we and police for every breaking news no, say Sisi Ankola no womu no. Ngofu people are reacted to it. Answer the better on the subscribe and click the notification bell no, and no any down screen so Sisi Amesre. We understand our latest news be about once that Ebeka. Now, it's for young consent nimu. A lot of reactions have come. May a video we can mean baby a video no may free because a lot has actually happened. A lot has happened just within less than 24 hours as same way you know. Enyama bebresi. Na first Endra IGP ba bontin ya be confirm nsem no. Takrady for there. Wo mo asori ka say nsem no de na IGP kan masa wo mo de bogus mo anopa we wo mo press conference the families of the Takrady ladies no wo mo press conference but still I'm say police for mo agency wo mo Takrady ho na tre say wo mo ama adwobre aba because nkrofu full na the police for no wo bia ntro mo say wo mo du ho a wo mo endwane wo hwe say na police for call ye aggression and nkrofu dis year police for na police for Nankasa Jane because the people of Takrady are not taking the presence of the police lightly. Sisi and the woman who police for say they are their enemies because somebody they almost can and say you are come ha and a Canadian lady say kidnapping omo yehun de mo de yomo ye de mo aba bontia betre say wo mu first family nim believe say nkola na ewu because one almost say nkola na ewu na mo say mo nya bones ni nyama mo ma yehun bones na mo de ye test no. Second, one say one per independent and a foreign analyst says a foreign person in their test because they don't trust the police. Third, police one say one more call baby a who remains of the supposed and the supposed a year for a year Takrady ladies no one who Takrady ladies no sontare Takrady for na can say mu montaria mo my yenhwe nsema mo kan ya no keke na one say police one ba one ho be inform me omo say oh DNA results no match with Monkola no. And I'm say yomo ya say police for neighbor no. Wo man fa documents bi amba antre say okay, bo na ye hu ye no DNA nini, mo so mo DNA nti e match e bia 90%, e match e bia 80%. Omo de ano san na be kan e nti no wo mo be trust police pan de. Wo mo entrust in that. Now I have the article here, police for call and there you bo mo aware they had to run for their lives no. Joy FM for any report here. Joy FM top journalist IFN Kojo Jansen and the wakota Takrady ho any omo akotwetwe nkomo may the audio be bro the president of the land Akufo-Addo Efre the families na families ni your emergency and a family back omo nipa back ka say Akufo-Addo frɛ ye no womo ene na nkasa because omo say assembly see ye no wo Akufo-Addo wo ba western region one mesra family no okwa kasa ye say family no wo nya adwobre na nkola no yebe hu omo afi nkola na ewu a wo frɛ yen ageden you know they were very hostile towards the president of the land. I don't know how you react to that but I mean this has story in the bro later but you read this article here can say police for Edwane and was say police officers on patrol in Diabini found themselves beating a sharp retreat when members of the community set upon them with hoots, boos, jeers and cheers. According to Joy News' Kojo Jansen, with chants of away and loud cacophonious clanging of pots and pans, the mainly female members of the community who had just finished a press conference at Diabini Market Square in Takrady in the Western region drove the police away. Send a meeting country on no press conference no we were audio no so I say mayor special report na me dey bro na ye tie ensema family no so one more day atuja. Now I say the families of the missing girls and the community had called the press conference to react to a police statement which said the missing girls are dead. And only ensema one more say family no a press conference. Say ensema endra police for through the acting IGP at the Babontin ever say yes in Kolanda City they are confirmed dead no. Families no one more press conference counter ansem no. Na eno nema police for call wa one more kwaji away ya woman hwe ni ya na ka say bibi besi no. Priscilla Blenson Bentum 21, Priscilla Mantebia Cranchi 18, Ruth Lafquason, 18, and Ruth Abeka were victims of a kidnapping and murdering syndicate in the Takoradi area, and this is what the police has said. The acting inspector of, or the acting inspector general of police, James Opombuenu, said at a press conference Monday that the results of the DNA test on remains retrieved in Takoradi are those of the said girls who had gone missing more than a year ago. Joy News' Kojo Jansen reports that the attacks on the police were born out of disappointment at the handling of the situation by the police. Asema Urban say the attacker yedeba police for no. Ninian and an tintin any nititi and say families no an attacker de for esusu say police for in some way by no money or more ending ye. Kukwasa and sem kwa international. They are saying police as uncredible. Akwa say Endra as you dun ketian so ba bon say den sem bi betu dwa say send your police for both security apparatus, police penny, CID penny, about bonten betresen kolano wo waha no. Asem way pan there, ama enkrofo lose respect in the police. Because and that social media, a lot of people have been calling for the head of the CID boss, Tiwa. But still, why not just say Tinchnai won't see foam. Another sema echo will be say, however, the police who were hooted and driven out of the community said they have stopped as part of a routine patrol. Not just the police one there. One more can say, one more amba say one more stop your move. One more amba say one more stop your move. One more there, one more baho say normal patrol. When the police they will patrol, one more nam chrome air say body be here. It's normal patrol and a one more patrol no more baho and a microphone this hostility Asia woman. Na ebi ala microphone fi say police one baho say one more be kasa na bibi and na one more be destroy press conference and no be say press conference no dabi police one amba ho say wo mo be ye bibia sa na ye normal patrol keke e na wo mo ba ya che say ama police for na dwane e ka nyame nko tie for eno ni asema e da o na me person me read the comment on this na ye share how some Ghanaians are reacting to this. Ye nhwe say Ghana for F4 de enkrofo ne ye no eso ana na we be say God have mercy. Obi also say great work done. Let's get the MPs and assemblies all beaten up as well. Hey, asemo. There's a will be eka. Say juma pa na mo aye no. Sisi ano yen fa nko MPs ne so. Any assemblymen yen ko bo mo. Mr. Story na me read here no nkofo na mbu police for no. Yes, police for no njane ananka ebia nkofo no de omo nsa beka omo. But police for no so wo mu hunyansa edwane ye. Enya sa nkoma so be hye. Because enibraba Udi agra will be a sepe, won't be bonnet crown, would diagra, will be your bonnet because the near break at ya say, Now, we'll be also say the wires of the president and vice president should rather be the frontiers to console the parents of the Tardy girls as mothers for all children, which will help calm the tension. The nipa way I can say, President name. Ene na be de tre eye baamia ene say free family no ene omokasa but say na me din kan no families no wo ma babonten e betre say president ene omo akasa na some of the families tre say yes president no ene omokasa no the need dey ma president no etie president no some of the families so ka say wo mo the president ne frɛ no wo mo ka tre no straight say masa ye ne wo enkasa asem ni si ye na ye ka no wan ka hwe mo aye hwe han over a year yen kola no eguori ansa afi wo be frɛ yen yes me the story ne be bro wo mo kan point blank say sa no mo ka tre president no obi so say why should they blame the police? Come to Teshi and see how Nigerians are blowing our ladies, claiming Ghanaian men don't pay. Later when they kidnap them for rituals, you'll be blaming the police. The nipa we can say then na mudi blame the two police ne so na wo ba Teshi a wo be say Nigeria mbema no womo faga na mba ne panaga na mba no so womo so wi am say o Nigeria mbema de womo tia nti omo ane yepe won enu ne asema bo bi nso de ato wo nti no hwa ensem no dos wo bi say police and magicians, they rely upon intelligence to solve crime. Let's bear with them. Even in developed countries, there are still unsolved missing persons cases. And then asema will be can say police for they say be womo nya magic for internet for no nsema edaho share what dream our comment box ni mo na latest on this no me the people I have a lot of stories on this. Be on the alert na make sure so subscribe na click the notification bell on so e buy and access one second because stories need their dozen in the press conference never bro and the Ghana for social media there's a campaign a lot of people or more and same see a woman kasa wa Ghana crown one more kasa say wait there CID boss no at least one ferry na waka crown one step it down but and that me no can say still one step it down here but yeah share me the reactions thing na be for be on the lookout me that say